Dear students, in this section we will see number to letter coding, matrix coding and substitution. So first we will see number to letter coding. First example is, in certain code 2 is coded as P, 3 as N, 9 as Q, 5 as R, 4 as A and 6 as V. So how 599423 is coded? So 5 is coded as R, 9 is coded as Q, means RQQ. So here RQQ is only this option, so the answer is D here. Okay, so we need to code next letters. Next example is, in a certain code 3455 is coded as rope, 15526 is coded as apple. Then how is 54613 coded? So 5 is for P. Then 4 is for O, PO. 6 is for E, POE. 1 is for A, so POEAR. So the answer is C here. Okay, so the answer is C here. So likewise we have to code number to letter. Next is matrix coding. See, this is the matrix coding. So here there are two matrices are given, and according to that the matrix, as we know, matrix consists of rows and columns. So we have to code that particular word as rows and columns. Like we can code this K as 0 1 and this L as 5 6. Okay, so there are two matrix and these letters are not repeated in other matrix. So means it is, if the K is in first matrix, then it is not in the second matrix. Likewise. Okay, so we have to code this. For example, this C is coded as 2 1. Okay, so we have to find the code for cold. Okay, so as we know this, here we will go option by option. So first option is 4 4 4 4 C, right? 9 6 9 6 O, right? 9 5 9 5 N. So it is wrong. Okay, it should be L, so it is wrong. Next is 3 1 3 1 3 1 C, right? 9 9 9 9 T. So here again it is wrong. So answer option C, 3 0 3 0 3 0. It is again wrong. 1 0 1 0 C, 85 85 O, 79 7 9 L, 2 4 2 4 D. So this fourth option is correct. Likewise, we have to find the code and we have to give the options. Like code, for the code, this code is correct. Okay, so this is the matrix coding. Next is substitution. So substitution, in this type of questions, some particular objects are assigned code names and then a question is asked that is to be answered in the code languages. Okay, for example, first example is, if cook is called as butler, butler is called as manager, manager is called a teacher, teacher is called a clerk, and clerk is called principal. So who will teach in a class? As we know, teacher will teach in a class, but what teacher is called? Teacher is called as a clerk. So here the answer is clerk. So this is the substitution. Next example is, if diamond is called as gold, if diamond is called as gold, gold is called as silver, silver is called ruby, and ruby is called emerald. So which is the cheapest jewel? So as we know, cheapest jewel is silver. So silver is called as ruby. So the answer is ruby, means the answer is D. Next question. If eye is called hand, hand is called mouth, mouth is called ear, ear is called nose, and nose is called tongue, with which of the following would a person hear? So person will hear, person is hearing with ear, right? And ear is called as a nose. So the answer is nose here. So the answer is C. Okay. So this is the number 2 letter coding, matrix coding and substitution. So thank you so much.